Hello guys, dito naman tayo ngayon sa convenience store ng Japan.
Punta ko sa likod.
Family Mart nga pala. Pasok tayo guys, hanapin natin yung moldy na ice cream. Let's go!
Pamit chicken. Ito pamit chicken.
私の2つですね。
はい。Lang.
Hello guys, we're gonna eat the ice cream that is moldy guys. Moldy inside. We're gonna open it now guys, okay? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Tinatanong ako ng cameraman ko, guys, bakit ba English? Doon po tayo magbukas. We're gonna take a first bite now. It's good guys. Oh shit. Too much right now.